want to take a minute and show you this pet ramp. It has great treads, as you can see, really easy to climb there. This is a standard bed. It does have a mattress riser on it, so it's a little higher than just a traditional bed. And the treads are nice and soft. They are rug material, and then you've got these raised parts, so you have a lot of room for paws to grab onto, especially for little dogs. This is made out of pine. It's lightweight, weighs about 11 pounds, has a great sturdy handle here. And as you can see, I've got these silicone things laid out here. They're going to go on the bottom. This works really well, especially if you are on a hard surface. That keeps it from scratching the surface of your floor, as well as keeps the ramp from slipping. So under here you can see where we've got the little peg that sticks out and goes into a number of the different risers that you can select a different height for. This completely collapses, folds up, and has a locking mechanism on it so that it can stay locked and easy to carry.